I want to get the top here. I don't want the side. I want the top, but I just don't know where that'd be. That'll do. That's close enough. What's there? Where's my tape? Let me I'm just going in 20 mil. And I'm just wondering, how do I figure out what's halfway?
Well, you do it outside.
What do you mean?
Remove the thing.
No. I want it clamped in there because this is where I'm drilling from. You don't want to change your position, you know what I mean? Yeah, it probably doesn't matter that much. I just want to get the absolute top. And does that look like the absolute top? And now, what I'm going to do, get a bit, not be sharp enough. So, what I'm going to do here,
Yes.
I hadn't got around to plugging that in yet, so I just was using this as a bloody, yeah. So, is that, dangle. Ah. Why is it broken out of that? Ah. What I gotta do now, I should have done this at the start. Oh no, bucket. Can you just hold that down there?
Mm-hmm.
Just hold
Yep.
it. Okay, that'll go up. See, I want to be able to go down through that. Should have went further back. I didn't want to do through this. I'm a bit offset anyway.
All good?
Hmm?
You went right through?
Yeah. But what I really want to do, I've got to go a bit further this way. Oops.
Gonna make it bigger? Can you tilt it this way or
Huh?
like erect it this way?
What do you mean?
It's look like off center.
Yeah, but now that I've gone down that road, I can't. If I change it now, won't follow through. You know.
Okay.
So, all right, here we go. What have we got here? Oh, you puffed it up. Where the fuck am I? All right, does it? Right now, what I've got to do?
Change the thing.
Let's get where'd you put the thing? Oh. You were just waiting to do that, wasn't you? Alright, let's see if we can drill all through that. Oh! Yeah, it's bloody off better, isn't it?
Okay, is that the
Hmm?
biggest as you want
Yeah.
to be? Okay.
I just want to. It's a bit bigger than I wanted, but I made it oversized so it's easy to put a slightly
Okay.
smaller bolt in.
Okay, ding ding. Half inch, that one?
I just want to put it like this, bevel it out,
Uh-huh.
just to make the hole.
No, I mean this one is half inch or one?
No, that's half inch.
And then
But this one, this is no size. This is just.
just
What
something.
do I do? Why can't I? Why can't I? Ah, this buddy. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to. Let's see what I can. Also, because Darren's going to machine some of it.
Uh-huh.
See, this is 50 millimeters. It's got to get into 44.
Okay.
So we're going to take off 3 millimeters, which is an eighth of an inch each side. I should even go further than that.
It's alright.
A little bit.
Ding ding. Rainy.